Damn, monkey boy, you can sure play that piano. Hey, Bohem. You make some great points and do it in a hilarious way, and you know, I'm really enjoying watching your vids again. The point you make about frivolous lawsuits is a really good one, and one I've actually thought about talking about for a while now. It costs our country an incredible amount of money, and it's just silly, and I think your approach to it's perfect because you know, most of these things are just totally goofy, and you know, if more penalties were handed out to lawyers and to plaintiffs for frivolous lawsuits, they'd slow down quite a bit. One problem we got, of course, is the fact that for big corporations, for these megacorps, big business, really the only way to keep them in check at some level are lawsuits. These guys really don't have any other restraints on them, and sometimes they sit around in board meetings and decide based on profit whether or not so many people live, so many people die, and that's when these punitive lawsuits really do mean something. You know, when you got a big company sitting there deciding to continue making a car that they know is unsafe, that they know has a problem that kills a certain number of people every year because of this problem, and this is known to have happened before, and they sit around and they decide that it's just cheaper to go ahead and deal with it as the problem comes up, instead of recalling the car, canceling the car, getting rid of the car. They just go on about business like nothing happened, and all these people die and they sue, and you know, if it's not too harsh on them, then they just keep on paying off the lawsuits. A lot of times they'll settle out of court with the condition that the people don't talk about the settlement, which is pretty incredible. So anyway, there are very good reasons for punitive lawsuits, and you know, we have to keep that in mind. You know, even the lawsuits against tobacco companies, which I have real mixed feelings about. I mean, obviously, people know cigarettes are bad for them. People have always known cigarettes are bad for them. The only problem I have is the nature of the tobacco industry and what they did to bring about all these lawsuits. The idea that they knew things they didn't disclose, and they preyed upon people knowing that they were producing a product that would eventually cause them horrible consequences. You know, I mean, like I say, I've got mixed feelings on that, and people get what they pay for and all that stuff, but I do think you have to have some power in punitive lawsuits. The problem that I see is that all these frivolous lawsuits bring down the power that those kind of lawsuits have. And so anyway, I thought your video was great. I thought it was hilarious. Keep them coming. As far as the Richard thing goes, no way should anybody be able to sue over that. I mean, yeah, he was stupid, and yeah, you're right, they should have just kicked his ass right there on the stage. But, you know, people are going to do what they're going to do. If this makes it to any court, the judge ought to throw it out as frivolous. There's no question about it. Well, anyway, I'm going to buzz out of here. We'll talk to you later. Bye.